beat, baby.
Alright, y'all, look. I'm finna get my little brother with this cough up blood prank. So I'm gonna use ketchup. So I'm gonna use this ketchup right here. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. No matter I can cough it up blood. Let's see if he will protect me, he really care about me, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, we finna get to the prank. Put it in my mouth and I'm walking there. I'm not gonna keep talking, bro. We gonna get to the video. Ah!
Playing too much.
Hey, call the police. Call police. Dude, what is all this?
Bubba? 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 You playing? What's wrong?
I don't know.
I'm calling the police.
It's a prank. Can you see the camera right here? Stupid. You got him. How you get pranked 2 days in a row though? Oh my God, I'm not gonna lie.
Why is that light in here? Tell her. What are y'all doing?
We cooling. You in the recording area. Got him. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. We out here. Getting this paper. Tell him we getting this paper. Tell him we getting this paper.
In this paper.
Tell them who made this beat, baby. Tell them who made this beat, baby.